Hi, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Looks like the phone's a little shaky. Sorry about that. Um, Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome. If you're new, I just thought I'd come for a midday chat, and you may wonder why I've been linking other content creators. I've mentioned them in the past. I just found out how to do it. I'm slow with technology. I've mentioned that, but I do not want to put misinformation about true crime out there. I try to correct it. So I try to watch reliable people, and I give them credit so that you guys can go there and watch their content. So you can see where I'm getting my information, and you can judge for yourself whether you think it's legitimate. But I try to watch only people that base their information off of police reports, off of what like if it's going to trial, what the prosecution has said. Obviously, the defense has a duty to defend their client, so they're going to throw as much mud at the wall to see what sticks as they can. That's their job. So, it's an adversarial system. I understand it. I respect it. I've been part of it. I had to go to court as a defendant in a case in which I was absolutely 100% not guilty. And when we went to trial, the morning of trial, they dropped the charges. 3 months later, I got another letter in the mail that I was being charged with a different charge. I met with my attorney, and I had public defenders. It was a different attorney, but there's only two of them. So I had met him before, and he told me what was going on and said, they're offering you this. I said, I'm not guilty. I was at work on video camera in a different county. Like, I'm not taking a plea. So I took the second one to trial as well. That one actually went, and the jury hung. And then the prosecutor had to decide whether or not to charge me a third time, which they so far have spent like a year and a half, and they haven't. But that said, it was a horrible 2 years. It ripped my family apart because it involved my son. So I don't ever want to put misinformation out. A lot of the police never interviewed anyone in my house. Ever. There were 5 adults home when said incident occurred, and I was not, and I was the only person charged. So I don't ever want to put misinformation out there. But if this has been at all helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a like, please leave a comment. I love comments, love reading them, I love responding to them. Thanks for spending a little time with me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.